Hello there. This is a painting that I did quite a while ago, and I did a little bit of extra embellishment on it, but still I just couldn't connect with it. So rather than try and clean it off, because it's the paint's been on there for quite a long time, I thought I would just pour straight over it. I want to use up the leftover Aldi paints that I had from a previous pour, so I'm going to tip them over it in my travelling ring port style thingy. Oh dear, I'm falling over my words. Using my watermelon silicone cup, which I've put those colours into that I had left over. From memory there was red, green. I mixed the green with the blue, so I had those two colours, yellow, purple, white. There's a little bit of black, and I think those are all the colours. Anyway, I'll get started now. I'm going to, as I said, tip it onto the painting that's already here, the canvas, to see what I can get. Okay, that's enough tilting for me. It's much brighter and more vibrant than my last coating on this canvas. It's pretty, it's different, I like it very, very much. All the colours that have blended in, which I knew would happen. I mean, yellow and black, what do you expect? You're going to get all that blending. The same goes with red and white, you're going to get the pink. But overall, very, very happy with the little lines that have shown through, the way the final result, I was able to get the final result with the tilting. And also, of course, my watermelon cup, which tends to want to blob when I first put the paint down, so I'm finding that rather than it being able to hold the 250ml paint that I want it to, I need to actually probably only fill it up to about 3/4 in the future. But I'm going to bring this painting up to now closer to the light for you to see. I've got my ring light on, so I hope that's not too much of a problem. But the pink lines over there are really, really pretty. I like the way that they follow on down through to the more yellowish blending going on there, and of course the black and yellow blending is also very pretty. And last but not least, the white blended with the red and the blue almost to make a purple shade. So it's very pleasing on the eye for me, and as I said, far more vibrant than what I previously had on that canvas. Well, that's it for me for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.